Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to install SnowRunner mods. Download the SnowRunner mod you wish to add to the game and extract the mods file. After doing that, find Steam folder in your computer and open it. As you open the Steam folder, go this way: Steam Apps, Common, MudRunner 2. Check for the file, Media. After you open the Media, that's it.
Take our lead.
If you are experiencing slow downloads, or mods are not appearing as quickly as you expect, this is due to the large file sizes of some of the mods available. Mods will download in the background only while the game is running, at a fixed transfer speed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Modding the console versions is incredibly straightforward. Players simply need to jump into SnowRunner, then browse the mod library for anything that takes their fancy. After subscribing to mods from the list, they can then be activated when you next play.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.